followed up with me, and I don't want to blame it on the hurricane, but there was just so much stuff going on, and I just take responsibility for that, and I apologize.
Okay, so let me make sure I understand what's on track. I saw the withdrawal of the motion for contempt,
The motion for orders to show cause, yes.
right? And then that leads me to believe I am back to the issues about the demands for security of costs that have never been resolved.
No,
Motions
Your
for
Honor,
reconsideration.
I'm sorry, I didn't know, Your Honor. This court right now only has jurisdiction over the claims against Kehela Hickoff, and he's in default. Everybody else was withdrawn, or we filed a Rule 41 notice of withdrawal of claims against all the defendants except Kehela Hickoff, who's a
Okay,
defendant in California. He was served, and he's in default right now. So what we would like to do is file a motion for default against him, and then just have the case, because he has not participated in the case or anything. So the order for security bonds, that one, well, I mean, it's not before the court, but I can explain the history of that. There was
Okay.
a motion to recuse the judge on the reordering of that. And if I know the law correctly, Your Honor, and I'm not here to brief that, so I didn't refresh my memory, and I apologize. But that order that was done by our allegations of it being done ex parte, the order is void. So the order that stands on the motion for the cost bonds was an order that was issued by Honorable Judge Montero back like 2 years ago.
right.
Okay. I also think by virtue of the dismissal of all of the defendants, including Miss Eller, who's the only defendant that did file for the cost bond.
Okay.
Since the claims are no longer under the jurisdiction of this court because they're withdrawn, I think it's mute or moot.
Anybody disagree?
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. That's why you asked.
Anybody disagree? Okay. So I will not put that on our list of things to do. I will await an application for default judgment from
Yes.
you. And then we will proceed after that. How long you think you're gonna need before you send that over?
Your Honor, I think I already filed one, but I can refile it and update it with the procedural history
All
so
you
it's
need to do
accurate.
is send me a courtesy copy to the SRJ.
I just sent a message to the judge.
Good morning, Shantae. How are you? So if you could send that to the senior judge email that's in the October 2 order. I believe
Yes.
it's and a bunch of stuff related to the state of Nevada.
Your Honor, I wasn't sure procedurally, and as you can see that this has been dormant for a while, but since he's default, and I've never done this before with a default defendant, but I would like to get a sum certain for Your Honor, so we wouldn't have to have an evidentiary hearing, or if you want
Well,
one.
it depends what's in your application. I'll tell you after I read the application. I'll issue a minute order.
Okay, because I would like to just get some discovery of the bank that was run by Kehela Hickoff of his account. We never got to do any kind of discovery.
Do you know the date on which the application for the default judgment was filed?
Mine was filed on 3/14/2023.
All right. If you can send a courtesy copy of that
Okay.
to the email,
Yes, Your Honor.
then I
They're not
will
reading the chat.
look at it and see if I need an evidentiary hearing or if I can rule merely on the pleadings.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else that I need to do to get this case on track?
I don't think so.
No, if you
Okay.
if you can, I'm sorry.
Hold on, let me pull it up. I think I have it right here.
Okay.
At nvcourts.nv.gov.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that.
I don't
Okay,
use that
so-
email except for my cases, so it's one of those I don't remember.
Well, hey, don't even ask me for mine because it's bad. I didn't think of the domain. I didn't think of how bad my domain was when I got it. But I appreciate that, Your Honor. So you want me to send you a courtesy copy? There are a lot of exhibits.
I would like those as well.
Okay. Okay. Then,
That will help me in determining if I need an evidentiary hearing.
okay, then, some certain should not be an issue, but like I said, all of the defendants
You guys, 'cause
um,
it records itself.
paid one bank, which
Let's
was
hope so.
Yeah, so that's what
bank.
Once I get that, I will be able to make a
That's not-
determination
it's not
on whether I need an
Yeah.
evidentiary hearing.
I'm not sure
Alright.
why it's not
Thank you, Your Honor.
working. That's all.
All right. Thank you very much. You all have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. Your
Yeah.
Honor.
she
All
did-
right. So the minute order says court met with counsel. Counsel clarified only remaining issue is a prove up and application for default judgment on March 14th, 2023 that was submitted. And then I'm going to look at it and make a determination if I need to do something or if I'm just going to rule on the pleadings.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay? How's
Yes.
that for a minute order?
That, I love it.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I just want one clarification and I apologize. Do you want me to update it with the procedural history or, I mean, this is.
No, I
from
don't need the
2 years ago.
procedural
We're
history.
good?
I
Okay,
just need
right.
what you filed March 14th, 23.
all
So
right,
I can make a determination if I need something supplemental or if we're good to go.
perfect. I appreciate that, Your Honor. Have a wonderful
Anything
day.
else?
I'm
All
good.
right. You guys have a wonderful day. We got done in 7 minutes, which is pretty good.
That's very good.
You too.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody in the
All right.
senior judge department need anything else from me since it's your first case with me and I'm a pain in the ass?
No, we're good, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I'm going to take my dogs for a walk.
Okay.
You guys have a
everyone have
wonderful
a-
day.
Have an
too.
amazing day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.